Samantha Walker, and I'm here at the beautiful Ottawa River in Canada, and I'm here teaching my sister how to wet exit. For those of you who don't know what wet exiting is, it's where you flip over and you pull your skirt. So first, before you get in the water, you should make sure that you remember how to do it. So when you're on shore like we are, you should practice pulling your skirt a couple times. So let's go through the steps of how to wet exit. So first, you flip over. Step 1 is you hold onto your paddle. Step 2 is you calm down. Step 3 is you move along the edge of your skirt and pull it. Step 4 is you push out of your boat like you would a pair of pants. So let's try it. Remember, step 1, hold onto your paddle. Step 2, calm down. Step 3, move along the edge of your skirt and pull it. Okay. So let's try it. And that's how you wet exit. Thanks, Sam. Woohoo!
Alright, say it.
And that's how you wet water exit.
No. That's how you wet exit. Wet water exit isn't a thing.
Oh, well it should be. It's a cool name. And that's how you wet exit.